So coming back to it is that we can see that the reversal did happen and it occurred beautiful over here. You can see. So we're on a spot on the right track, if you could say that. Very, very on the right track. Now the next thing I want to say is for today, what could potentially happen, So I want to just check something out, right? If we do have any major news today, what is happening? Because I don't know if the NFP is gonna happen or not. Like, I don't know if it's gonna happen today. Do you guys do you guys know what's been happening? Like, do you guys know what has been happening in this economy? Like, I don't know if you guys know what's been happening in this economy. Let me show you something. Something's been happening in this economy, man. I don't know if you guys know it, Vaughn. Let's see. Yeah. Um, I'll show you something. Give me a second. I'm gonna show it to you right now. There we go. Okay. Yeah, you can see. So today, oh my gosh, today is gonna be CPI. Today's gonna be the CPI finally. Guys, how come you guys don't say anything also? You guys just keep quiet. You guys are selfish people. You guys are selfish. Today's CPI. Do you guys know that? I didn't know that. We thought I didn't know it's gonna happen today. Salam Kali. Kali. Yeah, I really didn't know it's gonna happen today, and I see it's happening today. Walaikum salam. I really didn't know it's happening today. I see it's happened today. Do you guys know what's been happening also? Do you guys understand why it was delayed? This is a Timbers, right? Do you guys understand why this? Yeah, it's Trump, 100%. Let's see who understands. Okay, yes, due to the shutdown, yeah, 100%. Lol, Trump is throwing all schedules into chaos. $50 blow or grow CPI. I think this guy that makes us rich, the guy that makes us rich. Yeah, I've been waiting for news. All can explain this chart. Are you talking about this, right? Yeah, this is just investor.com, right? God willing, you guys all use our one soon. The one that we will have for you guys. But it's just investor.com, right? It's a platform where we use for fundamentals to see what's doing is fundamentals coming out. I reckon the market's gonna go nuts. Yes. I think the market's gonna go insane today. Today the market's gonna do some phenomenal stuff, guys. I don't think if the CPI is gonna come out, right? If it's really gonna come out, I promise you, the market's gonna go like crazy, like super, super crazy. I don't think it's gonna be a small buy or small sell. It's gonna go like one way, and one way. I think it's gonna wreck the market like crazy. I think that's gonna happen, and the reason to this is that people been waiting. Imagine how much people has been waiting to take action on CPI, right? It's such a massive news event, and the fact that they prolonged it, right? NFP all prolonged, all the news events has been prolonged. This means that it's massive. Yeah, there's talks that they could no longer really cut the rates. If they cut, yeah, very true. They see, the America is in such nonsense, guys. It's such in a like America. You know that I watched a video of a guy, a billionaire. He's the author of the experiment, happiness experiment. But also, he's a billionaire because he actually made like he owned 20 private universities. Yeah, a university with 20 different locations. Yeah, it's a private university, and he made a few $1 billion from it in America. And from that he said something very interesting. Is that America doesn't have the American dream anymore. The American dream does no longer exist anymore. Like honestly, at one point, America was that country where there's a authority, where there was what do you call it? Like there was authority, there was respect towards, they were definitely dominating. Everything was in such a way that America was this leading country in every aspect. If you thought about American, you know what I thought about America when I was small? Strong, wealthy. This is crazy. I used to think about Americans like this, you know. I used to think everyone in America is strong, like physically, and already right now in America, you can see obesity, right? They are the number, like almost like not the number one, the second, I think, the second, but number one is, I think, Fiji or something, like that, some, that's an island. But they are one of the most, where the majority of the obesity is happening. And yet they were the country where there was people all fit. Everything was like they're strong, military, army. And you look today, like everyone is a influencer. Everyone's everyone's like majority people are fat. No, I'm no body shame. I mean, I must talk less. I can't even see my navel over here. But honestly speaking, is that you see what happened is that the narrative has changed. Someone says the talks of China turning to gold as new base currency. How true is this, Prue? Honestly, I don't know how true it is. I'm not really too clued up on that, so I'll have to do a bit more into that. Okay, so let's get straight onto the chart again, guys, because I don't want to get missed in this, right? I don't- In the source. We have stuff happening over here. I can see it. Yes, thank you, Khale. I see you are spot on. Yeah, I like when my traders are on point, man. Like you guys are on point, man. Come on, guys. Let's give it Yasin. Come on, let's give him a a a a a, a, a a clock in over there, man. For him, clock in. He's spot on, guys. He's spot on. He's spot on. Clock in, guys. Come on, give him a W in the chat, guys. Drop him a W, man. He's spot on, guys. He's actually spot on. Here's the range. W in the chat for you, man. Yes, in W in the chat for you. You spot on. I like when our traders are very, very active and they really take it. You see, like how you guys did now? I want you guys to be like that. You see, when I'm busy talking, I'm maybe getting the groove and then you still watching the chart, then you guys can say, yo, the chart, the range is happening this time frame. Okay, now I'm also gonna look at it. I'm like, okay, now I see you on the track. You know, that's what it's about. It's community. It's not just Shaquille saying, here's the range. It's you guys understanding as well, and you get involved, and that's when I know, okay, you are evolving as a trader, and this is what the goal is, that you evolve as a trader. Yeah, okay, that's the idea. That is the idea over here. Okay, I hope that makes sense. I really hope that makes sense. Let's see something big. Okay. So what I'm waiting for traders, if you guys don't understand what's happening, for everyone who don't understand, we're waiting for a candle to either close below, right? A bearish candle, to close below. Either impulsive entry, meaning as soon market impulse is very quick in, I will I can scale in a trade. That is very high risk, but you can either just wait for the close of the candle. And the same with this one, waiting for market to close either above with the bullish candle, body above, especially watching this week over here. We want to watch these weeks that we don't let the candle just close. I can draw the bodies actually, like I mean the candle on the body if I want right now, so we don't have to have extra drawings. So we have it like that, right? And I know you might ask, so what is this not the range here also? Like I know some people want to draw a range like that, but honestly speaking, I'm not saying it's wrong. I'm not saying it's wrong, but I don't like a range like this in a range. Like I just want, if I want to trade in the range, I would draw a trend line. Okay, guys, I would rather want to draw a trend line in the range, which is way better for me than a see. First day break over here. There's multiple retests and now it's running off. You see, so I can use a trend line, even use it like that. There we go. Do you see what I'm saying? Like now you can use a trend line and now you can be like, okay, you know what? This is still like, okay, it has potential to continue going down. That is the idea behind basically when I'm using trend lines in the market in a range. You understand? Trend lines in the range, how to trade the market in a range. This is also another lesson. I should probably drop a video of how to trade the market in a range. Because that's significant. It's actually significant if I think about it. Like a lot of people don't know how to trade in range. Um, yeah. Okay. I didn't yet put targets. Yes, I didn't put your targets if anything. I must still put targets. Yes. 30 minute, 50 minute. We have. Oh my God, I need to watch what this is. This is so close. This is so close. Okay, but that would be ideal. This is so close. Oh my gosh, I don't. This is bad. That's bad. Well, it's just trust. Within the trust that it will run through to this area. This is very. I would want. I just want to put it here. I'm just gonna put on a different line for this one. Okay, I'm gonna put it like this, just for reference sake. That I want to watch what happens to this one here, because you can see that it did actually just take off from there. So rather be safe than sorry. And then for the sell, for the buy, right? For the buy, we have the eyes right here. Okay. OB area. OB, 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 ob. You're talking about, you mean in, oh yeah, order block. Um, I don't know. I don't know. Honestly, I'm not sure. I don't use it though, so I don't use order blocks. I suck at it. I'm the worst trader at order blocks. Oh, what is the first white line? Which one? This one right here? This is for buy. This one here. You mean this one here? This one here? Buy target. Well done, Thalo. Woo! You're a spot on. Yes, 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 yes. See, the only thing is, this is very close. You moved the other one. Oh, this one, yeah, no, that was for just for reference point to show you guys what I'm talking about is at the high there. That that they to just to encounter it in. Okay. I read an article saying that the forex market only trades 30% of the time and ranges 70% of the time. So if you can master how to trade in ranges, you 70% more of things. Not sure how accurate this. Wow. Ah. I'm always learning something, eh? Like it's actually something you can look into. Let me ask something. Let me ask this. Let me ask ChatGPT quick. Let me ask ChatGPT. Uh, I see people are giving signals in the group as well. Whoa, whoa, wow! You have your license? Yeah, don't. Oh, yeah, don't do that to yourself. They're gonna come. They're gonna come after you. Hello,
Hey there, how's it going?
how are you?
Doing great. Thanks for asking.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You talk too much. Listen, I have a question. One of our traders on our stream, I'll read the I don't know what's the message. An article, hey, wait. An article saying that a forex market only trends 30% of the time and ranges 70% of the time. So if you can master how to trade in ranges, you have 7% more opportunities. We're not sure how accurate is this. So can you just give some light onto this?
Percent of the time, and ranges about 70% of the time is a common perspective. It basically means that most of the time the market moves sideways within a certain range, and only a smaller portion of the time it actually trends strongly in one direction. So, if you can effectively trade in those ranging markets, like using range bound strategies, support and resistance levels, and oscillators, you can definitely find a lot of opportunities. That said, it does take practice and a good understanding of the market conditions, but yeah, mastering range trading can definitely give you
Okay,
an
okay,
edge.
okay, 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 you're talking too much. So just yes or no. Yes or no. Do you, do the market range most of the time? Yes or no?
Yes,
Okay. And from that, so it's good to say if we trade in range bound strategies like the support and resistance is good, yes or no?
exactly. That's right. Using range bound strategies with support and resistance can definitely be effective.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it. By the way, I'm the G, I am the GOAT. Bye bye. Love the confidence. This, this is the things that I love the confidence. Go get out of here, man. Get out here. Okay. So, Sean, there's the answer. Yeah, the answer. You see? That yes, it is 100% of the time correct. That it has a range most of the time. And that is what we trade. We trade range bound strategy, which is very true. As you guys see it, thanks, Robot. As you can see, there is a range bound. We are trading range bounds. So I like to trade range bounds, and you guys can see that I like it because it's easy and it's one thing. Before I used to trade, I used to just throw it like this for you guys. If you guys been trade following me, you guys will know I just sort of thrown it like this before. I just made it like that now. You see, this is how I used to trade. Do it. You see, range like that. Oh, it's now in a different color. Let me show you guys that. Line. See, I used to do it like this. If you've been with me for quite some time, you would know that I used to call it the precision box. Where's the precision box? Yeah. Now, oh, now you remember. Okay. Yep. 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 You guys remember? If you go back all the way to my YouTube from the start, events all the way back, I call it the precision box. So it's not something new. I just yes, the T. Oh, so you. I was like, oh, that's like, oh, it makes sense. Yes. Guys, oh my gosh. Yes, it is the same thing, guys. I just did it like this. Oh my gosh. Nothing different. It's nothing different. It's the same thing. Same thing. Just I just made it like this and decided, you know what? Shoma Mubarak to you, my brother, as well. I mean, since the pre-work days when the charts were green and white. Oh my gosh, you're right. The green and white. Let's see. Light red green. Is this light red green? I think I have green. Let's see. Oh, you mean like give me this one. This one, eh? I remember this one. Oh my gosh. Yeah, guys, we're coming very close to this area right now. Keep in mind that we also have only 6 minutes left on the stream. So, like I said, traders, what I'm looking for in the market is that market closes below either this range right here, right? Then once market closes below, I would like market to sell off into the price over here, into price 4072. And if market doesn't close below there, close above the top resistance, then I'm looking for market to s- buy into 4113. Okay, that's basically my analysis on goal for the morning. So it's all about being patient right now, but yeah, it's fun. Fun times. I also use the use fixed range profile, fixed range profile, fixed range profile. So use this one right here, fixed range profile. Yeah, I also like to use it. Yes, 100%. I also like to use it. I also like to use this, but this is a bit advanced. I feel like it's a bit too advanced just to throw this at the new begin, like at the beginner. But you can definitely do that, and then you can understand where is the most volume coming from. So you can see right now there's a lot of volume kicking on top right here from cells. There's a lot of area right here selling. Yeah, I reckon as of 12 p.m. trading is going sideways until CPI hits no big moves. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, true, definitely, definitely. I don't think the market's gonna do anything crazy today, besides until CPI. That's my views on the market basically. There's this in one month on the stream almost. No, there's 5 minutes left. Sorry, 5 minutes on the stream left, traders. Hope you guys are enjoying the session though. I hope it's very insightful at least. It's very easy, very, very easy, straight to the point. We can go into let's look at this, right? Let's do it. Come and give quick analysis on US study or so, right? First things first, just watch this. There we go. Trend is our up. 5 minute. Look for a trend, like a range that you can start with. Okay, as a support right here. Right. Look for a range that we can look for like that, and then we can use that range. Do you see what I'm saying? Like that. There you go. Now you can use this range for reference points to buy from or sell from. Do you see? But reference, you want to go with the trend mainly, so you want to get the buys up, but you can get in the sells if it needs to break. Yeah, see how quick was that? Nothing crazy. So that's the idea for you guys. I would like you guys to get into is to get to this point, of course, with trading. Is that you get to that point where you can just analyze the market like that. But it does come with time. It does come with time and confidence, like 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 what the ChatGPT told me. I like your confidence. But yeah. Mm. Come on, ask this thing. Let me ask this. Ask me a question quick again before. Hey, hello.
Hey again, welcome back.
Uh,
What's up?
I wanted to know now, why would people want to join someone's live stream when they're trading?
Great question. A lot of people join trading live streams for several reasons. They might want to learn from the traders' strategies and insights in real time, and get a sense of market conditions as they unfold, or even
Mm.
interact and ask questions directly. Plus, it can be a fun and engaging way to stay motivated and
Stay
connected with the.
motivated. Why you changing for like stay motivated? Why you doing that to us? Huh? It's just say
Yeah,
just say motivation. Just say motivated. Okay? Don't do that to us. Motivation. We're not motivated. We're motivated.
got it. I'll keep it straightforward. Just staying motivated and engaged definitely makes a big difference. If you've got any more questions or need more insights, just let me know.
Okay. So they're telling me. Okay, listen up. Yeah, they're saying that you're gonna hack me. Is that true?
No worries at all. I'm here to help and.
Oh, wait. Let's say this. Bananas is yes. Uh, let's just say bananas is yes, right? And strawberries are no. Are you part of the new world order?
I'm here just to provide.
Ah, wait. Okay, listen. Bananas is yes, and strawberries. Or just keep quiet. Keep quiet if it's a no, right? Are you part of the new world order?
To help and.
Okay, it's fine. It's fine. You just don't want to answer. I know who you are. I know who you are, and I'm coming after you. I'm joking. I like you. Bye. Hey, bye. Yeah. Hey, I can't help. I have best friends. on, help, guys. I'm I'm just joking, man. It's just but okay, guys, I asked wow traders want to join the live stream, and it gave a few reasons. It's for clarity, support, and also to learn strategies. How true is that in that answer? Is that yes? Like, is there some truth in that? Yes or no? It's for support to learn, get market insights. What is that? Is that true? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. And have I? There's listen one more thing here. If you guys can just engage quick, before I go, I'll see you guys, God willing. And also, has that been fulfilled? Yes or no? Yes or no? Quick. Listen, is that been fulfilled so far? Am I on that part for you guys so far? Have I been helping you? Okay then. Then I'm happy. Then I'll continue with the streams. Then the streams has to continue. Okay. Because if it's no use for you guys, and then mm-mm, mm-mm. No, no, no.